Current air temperature comes in at 76 degrees, and I think that's about as warm as we get. We might pick up an extra degree or two, but that's about it. We're not going to see 80s today. We have a 56-degree dew point and winds now out of the north-northwest, breezy at 18, an indication that the front is through, the winds have shifted, and we're going to start our cool down process. Although today is kind of a mixed bag kind of day. We're going to slowly filter in those winds, probably get a surge of cooler air coming our way later in the afternoon and evening. And then we're going to start to work away some of those clouds. 77 in Perry, 78 in Myakka, 80 in Arcadia, 78 degrees in Northport, 76 in Venice, and Inglewood comes in at 75. And winds, as I mentioned, out of the northwest, an indication of shifting winds due to a cold front that has now passed south of us. Those winds are breezy everywhere you look, and it's creating a situation on our area beaches of a rip current issue, as well as small craft advisories. Big thunderstorms at time rumbling through the area today, particularly around the mouth of Charlotte Harbor and just to the north of us. Some heavy thunderstorm activity in parts of Pinellas and Hillsborough County, moving into Polk County, just kind of brushing by the northern parts of Manatee County. Currently, we're done with the thunderstorm activity. We won't see any of that anymore. In fact, looking down the road, I don't think we're going to see too much in the way of rainfall for the next 7 to 10 days. Looks like it might be dry. Even though we did get the rain in some locations today, I bet you tomorrow we're going to have a high fire danger because of that big, dry, high-pressure ridge building in behind the cold front that triggered those showers today. The winds will be breezy throughout the day today. Probably tomorrow as well, so watch for the rapid clearing to continue to occur as we head into the afternoon. The sun's going to start to return. The water vapor imagery is instructive here because it really does show you where the dry air is and where the moist air is. A pretty sharp gradient right there between the moisture that supported those thunderstorms this morning and the dry air that is going to bring us the sunshine, the cool, crisp nights, and the comfortable afternoons over the next several days. There's a long, long river of that drier air back behind this front that moved through. The rainfall futurecast shows that we stay in the dry air, but we might pick up a few fair weather clouds out in the Gulf caused by the colder air coming over the relatively warmer Gulf waters. And tomorrow morning we might see a little bit of that cloud cover across our region to start the day, but then I think as winds start to shift more north, we get rid of that right in time for the weekend. Forecast looks good. We'll look for a daytime high tomorrow of 72 degrees. Same thing on Saturday. Lots of sunshine, especially Saturday, and nighttime lows in the cool, crisp 50s. I'm waiting for this one, Scott.